Hi. For my submission for the hackathon, I created an AI agent that it analyzes recent commits, detects affected documentation pages, and suggests updates for those outdated pages, ensuring documentation always stays accurate and up to date. I created my agents in n8n using Algolia and Gemini. So I use Algolia for discovering outdated documentations by searching for replaced, renamed, or modified code. So I search for those codes. Algolia will give me documentations that are outdated that still use those codes. So that's that's what my agent is about. And let me just show you how it works. Here I'll go over to the VS Code and I'll change a few things in my code. Let me change. Let me add this. Let me add description. A description. Um. Yeah. Let me also change this to request items. Then let me commit. Okay. So I'll go over to this place and check. So that okay, yeah, I've started. So my execution has started, and while it's executing, let me explain what's going on. So yeah, this is a webhook. This webhook, what it does is that it listens to push requests. When push request comes, it gets it. This one if statements make sure that push request that comes contains a commit. So if it does, it goes to the next node. The next node filters commits to make sure that only commits that only commits where the code was changed are, are taken to the subsequent node. And this one fetches the commit. This one adds input for the agent. That it structures the commit so that it will be an input for the agent. And what this agent does is that it returns it returns file paths to outdated documentation after it has searched on Algolia. So yeah, this prompt I've written a prompt that tells the agents to um, check check the commits, get renamed, replaced, and modified code, search for them in Algolia, and return the paths to those to the outdated documentation. So after that's returned, this changes it to a list. So from a comma separated string, this changes to a list. Then this loops through the list because I want to update one documentation at a time. So I'm looking through them here, and then fetching the files from GitHub. Then what this agent does is that this is the agent that suggests updates for the outdated documentations. So for the outdated documentation. So um, after the update has been suggested, I'll create a branch, make a commit, then finally I'll create an issue, a GitHub issue detailing detailing all the change detailing the audit documentation along with the changes. So that's what my agent is about. Um, Let me check my execution. So my execution was successful. Yeah. So let me go over to GitHub. Mm-hmm. So let me refresh. Okay, yeah, two. So I have two branches there. So two documentation pages were updated. And let me go to the first one and see what was done. So in the first one, the description was added. Description and so the description was added. Then the second one. Let me go to the second one. The second one. This one. So in the second one, this the S added to this stuff too was added. So it was changed from request written to request written. So it was changed throughout the documentation. So I think that's 100%. I think that's 100%. So, mm, although I think I changed this from personal to persona. Mm, okay. So here is the issue. Here is the issue detailing everything that has happened. And so that's my agent. Um, thank you.